Now, why would you even need hacks? Well, here's the thing. Although they say that some people are visual, some are auditory, some are more towards the kinesthetic way of communicating, fact is, everybody is visual. And if you haven't noticed, you've obviously been hiding under a rock, but you've seen the rise of things like Instagram and Snapchat and a whole variety of new online tools, all of which revolve around the visual. What's been happening on Twitter as well, becoming a lot more like Facebook and taking in a lot more images rather than just the 140 characters of text. It doesn't matter where you look, visuals are extremely important. This then means that the media assets that you're going to need to put together for yourself as a self-published author become that much more important. You're going to need to put together visuals for your cover, for a 3D version, perhaps a boxed set, and other pieces of promotional material which you will be using to promote your book and present your book on various sales pages. Now remember, first impressions are everything. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. So it's important that your visuals look great. But it's also important that you have control over that process, that you are able to produce the visuals yourself so that you're not constantly reliant on someone else to do it. And of course, every time that you have an outsourcer do it, it's going to cost you. So the purpose of this course really is to teach you how to get control over that process and to get you to not necessarily become a designer, but to get you to help yourself enough so that you're able to take care of this specifically critical task of the self-publishing process. And finally, even if you do choose to outsource visuals, the thing is now you will be able to learn 2 or 3 of the tricks that take a cover from being just meh to being quite amazing, because you're going to learn how to dissect current covers that look amazing and look for what are the things that make them so. So you'll be able to take it and dissect it and learn the various elements that make it so that you can put the same elements together to create your own covers and your own visuals.